Hi, my name is Christina from ChristinaKuzmich.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy kielbasa recipe. And when I say easy, I mean easy. This is 2 ingredients. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your kielbasa out of the package, and I kind of like to cut it in half like that, and then we're just going to slice it. Use a nice sharp knife. Don't cut your fingers. Just slice it. And then what we're going to do is we are going to put it in a baking dish, but make sure that the baking dish has a lid. So I'm using something like this. Okay? We're going to place the kielbasa in here. So I said 2 ingredients. This is one, and the other one is brown sugar. 3/4 cups of brown sugar per 1 package of kielbasa. And that is it. You're going to mix that up. And you are going to put the lid on, and you're going to throw this in your oven for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour at 350 degrees. Now, be careful because sometimes it tends to boil over. So just keep checking it every 10-15 minutes or so, just to make sure that it's not bubbling so much that it's going to boil over. If you notice it is, just turn the heat down to about 300 degrees. And then when it's done, it's going to look like this. And all that juice out of kielbasa mixed with the brown sugar, it kind of caramelizes the kielbasa and gives it this really nice sweet flavor. It's delicious. You can serve it like this as a breakfast side dish, or you could put toothpicks in each one and serve it as a little appetizer. I'm Christina Kuzmich. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.